Hi, my name is Ali Atkins and I'm here in my home studio. I would like to say a big warm welcome to our new Arts and Creativity programme, Start Online. Today we are going to take a look at formations, natural formations, and find out how they can inspire us to make artwork. So what exactly is a formation? The dictionary tells us a formation is something that's naturally been made or something that's been arranged. So in nature, I'm thinking about rock or cloud formation, or maybe the patterns that you'll find on a flower head or inside of a shell. Or maybe those beautiful ripples that you'll see in the sand that's been created by the wind and the sea. Nature's formations and patterns are a massive source of inspiration for artists and designers of all kinds. Just take a look around you. For me, I love looking at very intricate patterns and formations. These sculptures around me, these have been made and inspired by looking at the spiralling formation of a Romanesco cauliflower of all things. And then I've transformed them and turned them into new sculptural formations. So why don't you have a go at making your own formation out of natural materials? Take a look at our Start Formation PDF and give it a go. But please remember, share your work with us. We do love to see what you make. Take care and see you next time.